Hello and welcome to the Sky Rider channel. Today I'm going to be test riding the 2015 KTM Adventure 1050. This is so far the most expensive motorbike I've ridden. It's £11,000, so I definitely don't want to drop it. I have started searching for the next big bike after the Honda CB500 that I've owned for almost a year now, and here is what I think of the KTM Adventure 1050. The clutch is hydraulic and it's so easy to operate, same as the gears. Now they're just nice and smooth, just gentle tap and it's in gear, and that's really comfortable, really nice to use. Exhaust sounds amazing. I think that is really nice part. It's kind of rare to see round mirrors on modern bikes, but these pair of mirrors work fantastic on the KTM Adventure. You see so much behind you, so they don't look good, but they work extremely well. I'm surprised that the wind noise on this bike is a lot more noticeable, although it's got a taller screen on the bike. The visor was open a tiny bit and the wind's pushing it, so it's vibrating a lot. The seat and the handlebar, the riding position is spot on. I can see this being a really serious long distance touring bike. The instrument display is clear and has loads and loads of features. You can control that on the handlebar with those toggle switches, selection switches up and down. I was told you can also get heated grips, and you can control the heated grips by using those 4 buttons there. So just have a quick look around. It's a bit dirty because the road is full of crap. Handles country roads very well. Suspension setup is just comfortable, but it's kind of sportier than the Honda CB500 I've got. This is a fun bike to ride. Oh, that throttle control is very responsive, so a tiny bit of throttle input, the bike does take off. So it takes a bit of getting used to when you're riding around the town traffic at about 30 miles an hour. Small issue with the position of the ignition switch. When you've turned the handlebar all the way in full lock, it's kind of difficult to operate the key. If you got bigger key ring, see this one is a little bit stuck in there, so that is a small niggle. But the indicators are quite hard to operate without taking your hand partially off the grip, especially trying to turn left. You've got to get your thumb. Maybe I've just got small hands. The seat height is about 850 millimeters off the ground, and because of that extra height, I'm trying to balance the bike and try to avoid putting my feet down on the road.
Now, when riding this one, it felt to me a bit like sitting on a washing machine on high-speed spin. It just there's a level of vibration that it's noticeable. There's definitely more vibration than the CB500 that I've got.
But not all vibrations are bad things. I mean, this bike feels solid and is fun to ride, and is fast. It's got lots of torque. So thank you to KTM Centre in Hemel for lending me this bike today. I've really had lots of fun. Oh, idiot.